Saravanan, sir. So let's start now, sir. Hello.
So Balaji sir.
Sir, good morning, sir. Balaji, sir.
Sir, good morning sir. Good morning sir.
A very good morning to one and all present over here for this workshop. I think you are all safe and secure during this period. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all for this workshop on IPR and IP management for startup. It is organized by Tahur Institute of Engineering and Technology in association with AICT, MHRD, Institution Innovation Cell, and MHRD Innovation Cell. First of all, I would like to welcome our eminent chief guest, Mr. A.K. Bolaji, R.K. Diwan and Co., Chennai, on this wonderful occasion. I welcome you, sir. Next, my heartfelt welcome to all our participants, faculties, students from various colleges in around Tamil Nadu. For management, faculty, students, and myself, once again, I welcome our eminent chief guest, Mr. R. Diwan and Co. Chennai. Once again, I welcome you, sir.
Thank you for your warm welcome, ma'am. First of all, I want to thank on behalf of RK1, first of all, to Dr. Jayanti Madam and also Dr. G. Saravanan and Dr. Piri Rajesh Kumar, who has taken the effective measures to conducting this program. On behalf of RK1, I thank you, everybody, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Saravanan, Head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, to introduce our eminent chief guest. Sir?
Thank you, ma'am. So once again, good morning to all. So gratitude is the attitude that takes you to your attitude. So intellectual property protection is critical to fostering innovations. So the very much eager to about that, sir. So it is a great honor for me to introduce and welcome our chief guest these wonderful occasions. So once again, welcome you, sir. So at presently associated with RK Diwan and Co, Senior Legal Advocate, Chennai and Bangalore branch. So and also the advocate and IP attorney in practicing the field of intellectual property rights for period of 10 years. So at present writing a book about filling procedures and basic about patent filling in India for creating awareness among college students and research scholars. So especially the language of the book is in Tamil. So and also the SAR conducted various seminars and workshop and awareness programs about intellectual property rights for various university students, research scholars, scientists and general publics. And also the instrumental in opening IPR cell in two Tamil Nadu universities like Periyar University and VRS College of Engineering. And also the instrumental in opening IPR cell in SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai campus. Also, the instrumental in guiding them for filling several patent application as a result of which they have been awarded top Indian academic institution for patent commercialization for the year of 2018. So once again, welcome you, sir. So now I hand over the session to chief guest. Sir, the session for you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, am I audible to everybody, sir?
So audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sure. Sir, are you in a position to view my presentations?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Visible,
Yes, sir.
visible.
Uh, Actually, today's seminar is about intellectual property rights and intellectual property management and for startups. So, before going to the session, I wanted to say something about what is intellectual property. Intellectual property is something which can be created through only through our mind and our own ideas. That can be converted as a property, and we are today how we are going to identify that properties and how we are going to protect the properties. That is today's program's main theme. Uh, See, there are two type of properties available in the world. We already know. One is movable property, and another one is immovable property. Movable properties means you can move that property from one place to another place, and immovable property you can't do that one. That means you are not supposed to move the property from one place to another place. For example, the gold, money, bond, share, everything you are having, that type of things you are moving from one place to another place. That type of property is called movable property. And the land, building, machineries, once it is fitted, you are not supposed to move one place to another place. That type of properties we can call as immovable property. These properties are again segregated into two types. One is tangible property and another one is intangible property. Tangible property means you can see, you can touch, and you can realize that property is called intangible property, tangible property. The tangible property again divided into movable and immovable. Both movable and immovable properties are all of them are tangible properties. The one more thing which is available, intangible property, that type of property you are not supposed to see, touch, realize, but you can recognize as a property and make money out of it. So that type of a property is called intangible property. In our company balance sheet, there are two columns are available. One is not only company, even proprietorship, even partnership firm. There are two columns which is available. They will called as a balance sheet. Balance sheet means it is a single sheet showing how you are performing. One is assets. What are all the assets you are vested with your company or proprietorship or with your partnership? And another one is liabilities. Liabilities means what are all the loans which is available against you, how much interest you are paying, how the company is going, what about the bad debts? Bad debts means what are all the money receivable from other parties. So this balance sheet is simply showing how your company or your thing is performing, whether you are going in the right way or not. For every investor will consider or they will ask you kindly provide your balance sheet based on that only they will invest. For example, for Tagore or any other education institution, how they are performing means what is the results and what are all the intellectual property they are having, how many students has been produced by them, how many journals has been published by them, and how many PhD has been awarded in favor of the particular institution. These are all the assets. The same way, what are all the liabilities? Now we are facing the pandemic period, even though it is over, and the government is there is a rumor. I don't know. They are going to announce one more lockdown, which is available after the elections. So these are all the liabilities which are facing before us. We are supposed to face, and we want to overcome these problems. So in this structure, each and everybody they will ask, what is the liability vested with you? What are all the assets vested with you? In company balance sheet, we are not showing any IPR assets in our favor. We are simply showing only the goodwill as our asset. Goodwill, uh, goodwill can be measured in so many ways, but as per the international standard, we are keep on slowly introducing these type of properties in our asset. Then what is the IPR? IPR, I already told you, what are all the intellectual property which is created through your mind and your own ideas is called intellectual property. So the entire thing, see, everybody is having ideas. Everybody is having their own mind. It is there are a lot of ideas which is available, but we don't know how we are going to protect that idea. This is the main thing I am before you to explain how you can protect your ideas. See, normally everybody is having their own ideas. Ideas can be converted as a creation. And in this juncture, I want to convey what is the difference between uh, uh, discovery and invention. Discovery, which is already available in the world, you are going to just identifying the particular places, particular thing is available. But invention is something different. You are going to invent. That means you are creating by your ideas, by your own mind ideas. It is created by way of creation, and you are innovating something is something different from the all discovery. So invention is new and novel. So based on that, today I am here how to protect that ideas. See, everybody is having idea. How we want to convert that idea into innovation. Once it is converted, how we are going to protect. Once it is protected only, not effective one. How we are going to commercialization. Commercialization means you want to make money out of it. That is commercialization. And uh, after commercialization, you are supposed to if anybody of your rights has been infringed, somebody is copying your invention, somebody is duplicating your invention, how we are going to protect your invention? Based on the protection, you need enforcement. See, I already informed you there are movable and immovable, tangible, intangible. There are a lot of properties which is available vested with you. See, you are having one bike, you are having one car. That car was stolen by somebody, or you misplaced it somewhere else. What you will do? You'll go and launch a complaint before the concerned police station. What the police officer will ask you, kindly show the proof of your property. See, even vehicles also one of the tangible and movable property. So what at the time what will kindly provide the RC copy. You will provide the RC copy. Based on that, they will file a FIR, first information report. Based on the search. If they found the vehicle, immediately they will given to you. The original has been verified by the police station, and they will provide the they will hand over the vehicle to you. That is the usual procedure. You are having one land, one particular piece of land situated east, west, north, south boundaries, and that will be encroached by some other third persons. What you will do? You will go before the police station, or you will go before the court, and you will inform your lord, my property has been encroached by some other person, or my brother, or my father, or my mother, or my brother. So that type of things you will say, and you will inform kindly provide an intimidation in favor of me and stop them to encroaching my property. So at the time, court will ask you, kindly provide the details or kindly provide the proofs how you own that property. So you want to show the land document. The same way, the court will scrutinize the document and they will inform or they will inject